Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hopefully, everybody is doing great. Happy Tuesday morning. We are November 29, almost the end of the month already. I know I keep saying it, time flies. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy out. Like this last year, ain't gonna lie, I didn't see fly by. It's just like it was crazy. I do apologize. Last week I was not feeling right at all, so I was not able to host the stream. But now we're back. All right, we're back. So unfortunately, I kind of broke my live streak. Like being on live for like it was like maybe 4 weeks in a row now. But now I just broke that streak. So unfortunately, I got to start from scratch again. It is what it is. All right, so happy Tuesday. We're gonna look at the market. So this is gonna be another live trading session. It's gonna be a short one though, because I got an early meeting. Actually, it's not an early meeting. I just gotta drop my car at the garage. So I might have to just leave. It's a like 10-minute drive, so I'll be back like in 20-ish. So think I'm gonna leave the stream open and just come back at it. So we'll see. Anyways. All right, let's jump into it. Welcome, welcome. If you are joining right now, make sure to smash that like button on YouTube. We got to build back the audience from scratch. So once again, let's activate this banner right here. Boom, there we go. All right, all right, all right. Oh, Andres, you're not muted. Let me mute you. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, so where is our chart? Right here. Perfect. Boom, boom. Righty. Cool. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got for today. And you know what? Later on, we're gonna break down the perfect week on GJ. You see those trades was pretty good on GJ last week. It was pretty amazing. We're gonna break those down later on. But first thing first, let's take a look at what we got for today. All right, so if we look at the weekly right now, if we look at the weekly time frame, we have, let me put this as big as I can. I need that wick. Here we go. Perfect. Oops. Maybe not. There we go. Sorry, guys. Okay, so first thing, where's my toolbar? Jesus, I'm all lost this morning. All right, let's get it. So first thing first, the weekly is trending up, right? So we're trending up, so we're gonna need uh, our friend Fib here, and you see we got this weekly golden zone. All right, so we expecting a retracement before continuing up in this area. So if you see price was trending up here, we've created a new high. We have this pullback, but here we failed on breaking that high and creating a new high. So what we might see, it's probably going to take a couple weeks, but we might have finally something like this to continue up, right? So that's why now, I mean, it's going to be really hard, to continue to the upside. And especially that if you look here, oops, just want to point something out. Let me delete this. We had this zone here, right here, right? So we had this zone right here. That was a retest of the previous Weekly zone, we kind of broke and closed under. After that, we rebroke it, and now we're sitting at it. So the only way we're gonna see a bounce back here is if we see a switch of structure on the lower time frame to continue up. If not, if we do coming back down and close under here, we're almost for sure like going to this area. But we'll see. We'll see what happened. Now let's take a look at daily. All right, so daily time frame right now is trending down as we speak, right? So it was up, right? It was up right here, and we had this head and shoulder pattern, and we broke, come to retest the neckline, but nope, didn't work. It just like that's where I got stopped. No, I had some winning trade here last 2 weeks ago, and and lost. But here's the wins from last week. And anyways, after that we pushed up. We form a higher low, right? So we failed on breaking this, and now we're on the way to create a lower low. Okay, so this is where you want to like take a look at something to go down. But on the lower time frame, we didn't have this opportunity. Okay, so now if you look on the 4 hour time frame, now we are finally breaking down to the downside. You see, we are trending up here. Boom, boom. Here, you got the head and shoulder. Break the neckline. Retest right here. Retest the neckline. Nice bearish candle right here, and you can take it down. If you look on the lower time frame around this area, so let's establish our zone here, which was previous support, resistance, and retest of the neckline. So now this was yesterday at 9. And if you look right here, you got your nice engulfing candle right here. So I was not I didn't took any trade yesterday. I was not looking at the chart. I was busy. But if I was looking at the chart, that would be my trade. Something like that. So by now trade would be at break even, but very nicely, yeah, even on the 1 hour, it's going to be a little lower entry and a little bigger stop, but still, still can work, right? So either on the 2 hour, 1 hour, you'll have your engulfing. Let's on the 30 minute same shit. So yeah, makes sense. Yeah. So that was the trade from yesterday. Okay, so now what about today? Okay, so hopefully that helped people. By the way, if you have any comments, questions, feel free to ask. All right, so now what we got? 4 hour now is trending down, right? So now we got the lower low. Now we got price coming back up to retest major QP, and retest this previous area. Look at this area, how strong it is, this major QP. Look at all those rejection. So we gotta wait and see what we're gonna do here, but for sure this zone is still valid. As you can tell, I just extended this previous zone. So zone is still valid. Just gonna put it a little up here. There we go. And let's take a look at the 2 hour here. All right, so we had this rejection right here. If you go check on the lower time frame, that was another possible entry. Let me show it to you. I guess probably, I don't know, but I'm guessing. Here, if you go check on that yellow box, can we get an entry somewhere on a 1 hour or 30 minute or 15 minute last result? There we go, 15 minute right here. Right there. Right. So again, 15 minutes is going to be on only if I have my other confirmations, right? But now, all right, so now today. So what we got here, we finally have price breaking down, because the last couple of time we tried on the 1 hour time frame. If you see, we tried here, we bounced back above. Here again, we went above, break, retest of the neckline, double bottom right here. We continue up, tried to break, still rejection. come up and finally break and close under. So now we need something, nice engulfing candle for confirmations. But right now we got like kind of a double top-ish here. So we're gonna be on the look to see maybe we're gonna see something like this, retest and continue down. Oh, those arrows are confusing. Hold on, wait a second. Let's see on the 1 hour. What time is it now? 7:32. So yeah, so in 30 minutes, this 1 hour is gonna be close. If it's a nice engulfing candle, that would be sweet because it's gonna be a perfect, like break retest of major QP. Previous resist support. Sorry, let me modify this zone a little bit, just to the previous, to the latest support that got broken. Not the latest, because this is the one, but this is the lower low that we broke. Um, where's my zone? Oh, here. Sorry, guys. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, let's go. Can we get something interesting here? Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, so option one's gonna be like a nice engulfing candle here, either on 1 hour, 30 minute, or if you look here on the 15 minute, boom, 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 something like that, right? But yeah, we shall see. At the same time, we might have also, let me delete this because this was the previous golden zone. But 30 minute, yeah, let's put it here. We might see a pullback around this area, but we might also reject 382. We all know that there's two zones of rejection of this fib, the 382 and the golden zone, right? So 382 is right around this major QP. So we might hold this area. Boom, 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 boom. Let me establish this here. Ole, 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 ole. I'm gonna put a black line here. For my 382 level. And I'm just gonna remove this so I don't have all those lines in my way. Guys, smash that like button. Um, all right, let's see if we have any questions, comments. No question. You guys are silenced this morning. Woo, you guys are quiet, very quiet. What's up with that? What is up? Okay, so that was GJ. It looked like this 30-minute candle is coming down now. So we should have an entry pretty soon, hopefully. What about AUDGPY? All right. AUD. Oh, look at the wick. Jeez. Okay. So we got AUDGPY here that was rejecting the golden zone previously, like a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago now. But now let's talk about today. So today we kind of we are establishing, but we don't have a top week yet. We don't have a top week on that weekly. It went just straight down. Straight the hell down. Let's see on the daily here. Okay, okay. So, okay, so let's start from scratch. All right, so the weekly is trending down. Weekly is trending down. Right now we are having problem creating that lower low. We reject previous weekly support right now. So let's see on the daily what we get here. So daily is starting to trend down, boom, here we go. Can we retest this daily support that we broke for continuation to the downside? All right, so let's remove those zone here. So daily area here is very interesting. So you see here, this was really respected, was support here. We got another support there. So now we just broke it. Look like we're coming to retest it. Let's take a look at 4 hour. So 4 hour, yeah, 4 hours trending down. 2 hours. Okay, okay. Here we got a nice engulfing candle here, rejecting this area. But I would, let me see here what we got. Do we got our infamous? We might have our infamous head and shoulder. But anyways, it all comes down to the same thing, because if you got the setup, you're waiting for, you're waiting for the break retest of the neckline to continue down, right? But what I was about to say is, whatever the pattern, I'm just gonna wait for this area to be broken and break, retest, and continue down, right? I mean, you got this target here, this target there, and I mean, you got clean traffic here. Um, so yeah, pretty simple. It's an easy one. Yeah, and if we break above this area, I mean, now just gonna be looking for buys, right? But NZD USD. Wow, this thing just fucking destroyed the golden zone. But so far at the safety net. Huh, interesting. This I was waiting for this setup for a while, baby. Because I mean, what happened is, since we broke this support right here on the weekly time frame, I was waiting for price to retest right here to continue down, right? Waited for like once we broke and closed under here, I waited for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 weeks. Jesus, never waited that long for a trade, I think, and it didn't play out. Piece of shit. Um, it is what it is. Let's see here. Do we have any comments, questions? All right, we got Lembu FX. Look gold chart once. Yes, we'll do. We'll finish that one and we'll go take a look at gold. All right. So, NZD USD. Okay, so now that we destroyed that golden zone to the weekly, but so far, I mean, we kind of respect-ish the safety net. But now, after seeing this big wick to the downside, I mean, there's big chance for now price. I mean, just flying, right? Just like let's take a look on the daily. All right, so daily now is trending up, right? Um, daily is now trending up. Weekly is still trending down. Um, so I think like intraday trade, or maybe a day or two, you might be able to hold on trades for the buys. Man, I'm having a hard time speaking this morning. Jesus. Okay, so now look at this area. Look at this area. I will respect it. Support, resistance, support. Here, all resistance. We finally broke. Now we're coming down to retest. This is on the daily time frame. So now let's go take a look on the lower time frame. Can we have an entry possible here? All right, all right, all right, all right. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that looks good. So we're finally breaking the structure here. So as you can see, we're breaking the structure, right? So 1 hour was, trending down, and now we broke this high, so now we're coming down, retest previous support to continue up. All right, so that would be the idea for a lower time frame trade. All right, so let's go on the 30-minute perspective here. So here we respect the safety net here on this 1 hour fib. Boom, boom, boom. This. Okay, so now I just need a retest of this little area, um, and I need my engulfing candle to enter, right? So just gonna wait. This is not ready yet. GPPCHF. This one was, if I remember correctly, this one was horrible. Yeah. Oh no, it's not. It's not horrible. Sorry, guys. We are printing our high low or lower high, whatever. I always confuse both in French and English. Um, all right, this looked nice. This looked nice. This looked nice for continuation to the downside here. Let's remove all this. There we go. We respected the safety net on the dot. Let's remove this because this was a previous golden zone. All right, so daily now. So daily, we were trending up, and now we finally broke structure on the daily, and now we are trending down. Okay, okay. Let's take a look on the 4 hour. Very, very simple, guys. It's just, market structure, Oh shit, I forgot to look at gold. Sorry, my bad. Give me 1 sec here. I'm just gonna finish this and we'll jump on gold. All right, so this area is very solid, dude. Holy. Okay. This area is very solid. Yeah, no, I don't see anything nice here. All right, so let's go check a look. Take a look at gold. Let's remove this. Go on to weekly. Bam, 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 bam. All right. So weekly trending down. Okay. We kind of close back under the safety net. Daily is trending up at the moment, you know. 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours here is a pretty good area. Look at this here: resistance, support, resistance. And now we're forming another resistance. Let's take a look at this golden zone right here. We respected the safety net here. All right, look like we're ready to come down. Let's take a look on 2 hours. We got the retest here. We're about to have a close in 15 minutes. Actually, no, this is the 2 hour candle. So let's look at the 1 hour. All right. So you see, sometimes that's why I kind of added this 2 hour time frame on my chart recently. I kind of like it. It's super clean. It's in between, the one and two and the four. So I don't know. I kind of like it. And we might have double top here. Oh, wait, j'arrive. So if you see here, boom, 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 boom. So I'll be waiting basically for something to retest here. Nice resistance to continue down. Yeah. So that'd be my view on gold right now, you know. So I'm just gonna wait for that. But we got a nice 30-minute engulfing candle here, closing kind of right under it. So yeah, it actually does look nice for continuation to the downside, in all honesty. But I think I'll wait for that little retest here. You know, maybe on a lower time frame. But it does look nice on the 30-minute. Ain't gonna lie. Not gonna lie. I might take a trade on the percentage base. How many pips is that? Okay, مش معايا. How many pips is that? So that's 36 pips. I kind of like it. I kind of like it. Yeah, I'll wait for the lower time frame break and retest. You know, in the 15 for better confirmation. Yeah, so that's gonna be my take on gold. Yeah, so I'll wait for that break and retest here. Yeah, so that was for gold. Um, and guys, I need to go to run to the garage very quickly. Need to drop our cars for tire change for winter tire because snow is coming. Yeah, unfortunately, it's that time of the year. I mean, unfortunately, it's cool. We're gonna be able to go ski and do all kind of shit, but that's the time of the year, you know. Just man, I'm getting older, and the more years pass, I kind of feel like I need that heat heat vibe, you know, like summertime vibe, you know. Winter's getting rough though, just like poof. Um, yeah. So, anyways, so GJ, GJ, boom, 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 boom. All right, look like we. This is what we're waiting for, GG, right? So we're waiting for on a lower time frame. So as you can tell, oops, let's delete this. It's coming. It's either this to continue down, or just gonna be like a nice engulfing candle here on each one. Which close in 10 minutes. And I need to go now. So I'm gonna write a little note here. I think I'm gonna leave the stream open. And I'll be back in, what time is it now? 7:50. So that means I should be able to be back at 8:10. So we'll be back at 8. Let's say 15. But I might be before that. 8:15 a.m. Eastern. Perfect. All right, guys. So I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. Sorry, guys. What time is it? It was a little longer than when I expected. I do apologize. Um. All right. So what happened? What did we miss? Oh shit! Look at this. You see? You see? That's why you wait for the fucking retest, and you don't short it as the first rejection here. Perfect. All right, all right. So now let's take a look. This is exactly what we were talking about. Like, hold on, wait a second. Let me see this here. Did we close under here? We closed right at it. Okay, perfect. So right now we are still respecting the safety net. We enter the golden zone. We passed it a little bit, so we'll see. We shall see. Let's put an orange line here. Orange line would be our safety net. This would be our 1 hour golden zone. Bam, 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 bam. All right, so that is for the short. All right, so for people who wants to go selling it, but don't forget that the weekly time frame is still bullish, right? So I mean, we're trending up on the weekly. Um, Daily is down, is on the downtrend. Let me, God damn it. I did that on the wrong chart. Sorry, guys. We're going to redo that again. So don't forget that the main goal is to come around this area on the weekly before continuing up. But we said that daily was down, you know, at the moment. So we kind of create the high low or lower high, whatever the fuck you want to call it. Always fucked it up in French and English. I do apologize. Um, so yeah, so this is the 4 hour time frame. Let's see. Did we do a golden zone of 4 hour? Oops, 4 hour time frame. Yeah, around this area. Okay, same shit. All right, 2 hours, 1 hour. All right, so that was right here. Okay, perfect. So we had that right. Now, was it? Yeah, golden zone is right here. Boom, 1 hour golden zone, and our safety net is right here. Perfect. Which, anyways, like if we break this, I mean, we're breaking that resistance now, we're breaking structure to go to the upside. So now the trade idea is invalid. So now let's wait and see if we can establish a nice resistance around this area to continue down. Um, on a bigger picture, though, if we come back above here and we kind of form like kind of a double bottom or reversal pattern around the major QP, I'll look at advise, right? But for this session and maybe tomorrow, I might look at sell. Not might, I will look at sell. Yeah. So now let's go take a look at gold. You see gold, 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 gold. Here we go. You see, we were waiting for the break and retest. Nice engulfing candle here. That's beautiful. I'm actually gonna take a little trade here on gold. Boom. That is something I was waiting for. So, where is my chart? Boom, 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 boom. All right, cool, perfect. Open calc. Let's drop this. So I'm gonna use 1% here and take the entry right here. Perfect, thank you. Right at the flip, so we establish the top wick. Now look like we're coming down. I'm actually gonna take 2 entries on that trade. So meaning 2%. Let me remove this shit here. Indicator list. Let's remove this. Sorry, guys. I'm just playing on my MT4. Perfect. Boom. There we go. Perfect. All right, so stop is above that wick. What is it? It's 1754.90. 90 right here. Perfect. And we can boom, perfect. All right, so we'll see how it goes. Boom, 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 boom. And that 30 minutes about to close like in 2 minutes. Maybe I should have waited for the close of the 30 minute in all honesty. Yeah. I didn't realize there's only 2 minutes left on that 30 minute. I should have waited for that. Maybe grab a better entry. Because before the end of a candle, you're always gonna see a little retracement, So but it's all good. So any question for that? Hey, don't forget to smash the like button, guys, as you come in. All right, so now is the winning streaks gonna continue? Because last week was a perfect week on GJ. Can gold be nice with me today? Or no, it's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I feel it. I got a feeling that this trade is gonna be a good trade. That this trade is gonna be clearly I cannot be a singer. Um ADGPY. Oh shit, not happening. Not happening. This is clearly not happening as we speak. Okay. Okay. ZDUSD. Whoa, okay. Is this one? Ooh, if this one flip and close bearish, yo. But now we just broke structure on the 2 hour, broke structure on the 1 hour. Daily is still bullish. Okay. Daily is bullish. Can we get? All right, so it's two things. All right, so if we do close engulfing candle right here, might be willing to take it down. But if we do break retest this area we establish here, we can extend that. Oops. Can I get this? If we extend that this here, you see this, was resistance, support, resistance, and now we're retesting this area, which is the previous resistance that got broken. So if we do break close above and have the retest here on a, do we got something on the lower time frame? Here we did close under, but we respect that low. So if we respect this low, here, we might be looking at continuation to the upside. But if we do break this support, we're gonna have a switch of structure on a lower time frame. Boom, boom, boom. That was a nice setup here. Oh yeah, gold went to 15 pips. Jesus, I was not looking. God damn it. Hold on, wait a second. I was distracted here. Nobody told me. All right, we're back to 15, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, let's do a little story here. All right. All right, so we are live on YouTube right now, and we got gold running 23 pips. This trade was called live on YouTube. Let's get it, boys. Let's go. On YouTube for free. Here we go. Bam. Oh shit. Oh shit. I was just about to secure profits here. What the fuck just happened? Goddamn gold didn't let me close profits here. All right. So I closed one of my two position at break even. I'm gonna let the other run. Oh, that sucks. I was just finishing my story. Yo, I hope you guys secure some profits, guys. Let's see. Boom, boom, boom. All right, we're good. We're back. We are back. We are back to 15. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Let's go, gold. Let's go. Oh, hold on. Wait a second. Is there some chat here? I completely forgot to go look. Oh, Brian, what's up? W's in the chat, motherfucker. Um, stay focused, Big Chief. Yeah, I know. You know me, man. I always get distracted, man. Shit, man. I think I'm gonna need to get some pills for focus. No, not fuck it. I don't like pills. But we're good. We're good. We're back. We're back. We are back. We are back, baby. We are back. Come on. Come on, Goldie. Come on, Gold. Um, what's up? What's up? What's up? All right, cool. Let's go take a look at GJ. GJ, what's happening, GJ? GJ, where are you? GJ, last 15 minute close bearish. All right, cool. We'll see. We'll see. But now, let's start to focus on gold. Come on, gold. Gimme something. Yeah, I can believe it. Hopefully, you guys got that. It was nice. It was a nice, quick one. Ole, 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 ole. I mean, 30 minute broke the low. We had this wick before, so technically we should be good to continue down. I mean, look like this minor support is causing a problem, but what we got here? Ah, it's also a 1 hour support. We fill that wick completely. Let's wait and see what time is it. 35. So let's see this 5 minute candle. Just to see some price action, baby. Price action. Um, ole, 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 ole. Okay, okay. So that 5 minute just closed. Now we got this new 5 minute coming up. But again, this is a brand new 5 minutes. So technically, if we're continuing down, we're gonna create a top wick first and come down. But this last 5 minute candle is pretty small. So are we missing some fuel here? I don't know. We'll see. We shall see. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. We need to build back the audience from scratch after a huge ass break. Plus, I mean, I had a 4 weeks, 4 weeks in a row on the stream, but unfortunately, last week I had to break that streak because I was not feeling good at all. So yeah, I mean, I literally looked like a zombie. So it was not great. Um, come on, Goldie. Come on, Goldie. And the other setup I'm going to be looking at is on the close of this 4 hour candle. Because I think that's going to be looking nice. Like let's say close like this, just for an example purposes. Okay. What I'll do is I'll wait for the next candle to open up, wick up, because if you look here, this wick didn't broke previous wick, and we're respecting this zone right here. So if we create the top wick first and we come down and break that low, bam, I can continue down with this 4 hour candle. Um, yeah, so that'll be the other thing I'm gonna be looking at. Boom, boom, boom. I think if the 2 hour close like this, you still got a shot if it can stay in. Oh yeah. Let's take a look at the 2 hour. Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, nice engulfing candle like this. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, I kind of like the 2 hour now these days. Super clean. I kind of never looked at 2 hours before. Ain't gonna lie, I started to look at it after Alex Bootcamp. Um, and yeah, I find it super clean. Yeah, I find it super clean. So Brian says, oh, hold on 1 second here. 2 hours I love for Target, so good. Yeah. Target and honestly, market structure is super clean. Like there's no noise. I like it's really in between like the 1 hour and the 4 hour. Yeah, you're gonna tell me, yeah, of course it's called 2 hours, Sasha. But I don't know, it's just like, yeah, I really like it. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, gold. We need a move to the downside. Right now, we're still playing in profits, but not much. A couple pips, like 5, 6 pips. Um. Alrighty, alrighty, alright. What about Solana today? Ooh, okay. What about Bitcoin? Where is my friend Phil's tattoo coming at? We are getting there. We are so. Oops. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. All right, gold back at it. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, while we're waiting for GJ and gold to happen, you guys want me to break down the trade from last week? Because I wasn't able to do. I mean, I was supposed to do Forex Talk of Revere Friday, but what happened? It was like it was Thanksgiving, right? So I like nobody would show up. So I was like, you know what? Let's do Sunday morning. Sunday morning, I was smashed. I was so I was like, whatever, shit happened. But yeah, this was a perfect week on GJ. Just like it was so good. This one got stopped at break even. Um, but this is the same trade because I got two entries. Yeah, 1 to 3 trades, amazing on GJ last week. Um, should I break it down or save it for Friday? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. What should we do? All right, so let's break it down. All right, so this one was very simple. All right, so the first one, this was for Monday, yeah. So this one was very, very, very simple. All right, so we had a big area here, right? Let's put it blue. So this big area is also a major QP. We finally broke this area, and don't forget back then, like, and gold is playing out right now. We're back at 18, 19 pips, so that's good. And the weekly was up, daily was up, all time frame was up, right? So I was just waiting to continue for the trend. So we finally had this break here and retest of previous resistance that got broken. Also major QP, nice engulfing candle in 30 minute, just man, placed up under and went for 3 to 1. This one was played out perfectly, just like it was perfect. um Nothing happened, a little bit drawdown here on that wick, but it is what it is, and went fully to 3 to 1. So there's, we're back to 25 pips. Let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right, so let me put back gold for 1 sec here. All right, so now that we are breaking fine this minor support, we should be good. We should be chilling. Yeah, because even on the lower time frame, like the next area is right here. 5 minute. Yeah, it's this little fucking area here, the problem, just like, but after that, we should be fine. Should be fine. Should be fine. I mean, if I get stopped at break even by now, it's just like it is what it is, right? Boom, 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 boom. All right, so should we go back to GJ? All right, let's go back to GJ. Fuck it. Okay, I'm just gonna let it play out. I don't care. It's either I get stopped or we're going to TP. Where was I? Oh yeah. Breaking down this trade. Okay, so this was the first win on GG. This one was beautiful. Second trade was right here. All right, so here I established my golden zone, right? Very simple. On that one, you see the golden zones right here in yellow. And which is also retest of previous, I think it was like a 1 hour. Where was it? Fuck. Where was I? Right here. Yeah. Okay. Right here. Yeah. Previous area. 1 hour and I think 4 hour if I'm not wrong. God damn, I hate trading view for that. Why there's not an option to put you back exactly where you when you switch from time frame to time frame. We fucking send people to the moon and we cannot do that. It's so stupid. Yeah, here we go. So 4 hour resistance that got broken, retest of 4 hour, which is also inside of the golden zone. Nice engulfing candle. Let's go back to it right here somewhere. Right. Perfect. All right. So here, play stop under, and 1 4 3 2 1 on that one also, and there we go. Actually add an entry on that one. So this one was the same trade, but 2 entries. Okay, so what happened here is we finally create a new high, right? We create a new high, and once we had this nice engulfing candle, I actually took another entry right here. Almost got stopped out. In all honesty, placed my stop like a little bit under, and was aiming for a 3 to 1 on that one also. I don't know why it says 279. Did I move it? Did I maybe? Oh yeah, because of the fib. Yeah, sorry. So this was my fib target, right? So that's why I got out here at 2.79. So 2.79 plus 3, so 5.79. So yeah, that was pretty good on one trade, right? So that was pretty dope. And after that, that was the trade from Thursday. Thursday. So what happened on Thursday? Let's go back at it. So on Thursday, we had price coming down to this main area once again, once again. And if you look, we finally had this break right here. Where was it? Let me find it. Sorry, guys. Cool. All right, cool. Perfect. So we finally have this break of structure. All right. So the 30-minute was coming down, right? And we finally break this high right here. And we came down, form support to continue up, right? And I'm pretty sure, just for fun, just for fun. And it's right inside of the golden zone, right? I actually didn't place that. I was not looking at it. I was clearly looking at breakup structure, but also an added confluence here. I didn't use it, but right in my golden zone. But the thing is, when you use those tools, like often and like every time, I mean, You don't need to put the zone. You see it, you know, your eyes see it, your eyes are trained, right? So yeah, so anyway, so a nice engulfing candle right here, so that was my entry. And yeah, this one went for a 4 to 1 on that one. So yeah, I actually closed 80% at 3 to 1 and let the rest run at 4. So this is where I exited, right in this area of problem here to the left. Yeah, so and this one was a break-even trade. This one was right into that golden zone also. We had a nice engulfing candle right here. And I took the entry on the retracement. I took dynamic entry. Um, where was it? Oh yeah, that's this one right here, which was the engulfing 15 minutes right here. But when you look at the candle, it's on the pullback of that new candle. So I took 2 entries on that one, but it's on the same thing because what I took is I took one at the opening of the candle. I took another one on the pullback of that wick, and unfortunately got stopped at break even. So yeah, so when I saw price, like rejecting, when I saw this candle right here, for me, I kind of got scared and put my stop at break even because I had a perfect week and I didn't want to like destroyed everything. So I kind of, you know what, if I get stopped at break even, doesn't it's not a big deal. And if I hit TP, awesome. So let me put my stuff at break even. So I didn't want to risk, my perfect week. So that's what happened. And Friday I didn't trade because yeah, it was holiday. Um, yeah, hopefully that can help a couple people here. Make sure to smash that like button as you come in, guys. We need to build back the audience from scratch, so every like is a big help. So yeah, that was the explanation on the trade from last week on GJ. Any questions? Any questions, guys? No questions. All right. All righty. Oh, gold is doing its thing now. Oh, gold, gold, gold. Let's go, baby. Let's put back the chart. Let's put gold back on the screen. Here we go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. La, 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 la. I need to find another streaming software, man. Like this one is fucking. Oh yeah, let's go. 30 pips, baby. Let's go. But yeah, I mean, yeah, I see 30 pips because I still have I instead of closing, when earlier when I said I close one of the position, I closed 50% instead. So it's the equivalent, but I closed 50% instead of one position in full. So same shit. But basically they're like at 18 pips each right now. So total of 36.40. Holy, let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yes. Yes. 40 pips. Let's go, baby. All right, 41. All right, right here, I'm going to close one of the two position right here at 42 pips. Thank you. Oh, 47. He spiked down to 47 when I closed. Holy, thank you. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. 47, which was like 23 and a half each. So that's good. That's pretty good. Let's get it. It's pretty good. Let's move stop to break even. There we go. Perfect. All right, baby. That was quite simple. That was quite simple. Gold too easy? Yeah, depends. Just like it's it's sometimes gold just piss me off. But the thing is, with gold, if you force trade or you're trying to find trades, that's where you get fucked. That's what I realized. Like if you see something obvious, just take it because I mean, gold really respects structure. Ain't gonna lie, it respects structure to the T. Most of the time, anyways, except when there's news or shit happening around the world. But most of the time, not gonna lie, gold do respect structure pretty well. So yeah, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good right now. Let's go, baby. Yeah, that was a nice 47 pips total, which 23 and a half we said. Yeah, 23. So 23 pips. Pretty good, pretty happy with that. Can the other position run further? Let's see. Let's see. But I'm gonna have to close soon, guys, because I got some business to take care of. Mm, 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 mm. Gold runner to 2 hour double bottom. That's where I'm hitting. 1747, 700. First hurdle. We get through that. We home run. Let's see that. 1747, you said. 1747. 1747. Oh, around this area. Yeah, that makes sense. Because there's area here, right? Especially this one. You know, this one is a pretty strong area for. Yeah, I'll place an alert here. Because I might go to some stuff and see what happened. But yeah, it looks good. Ain't gonna lie, it looks good. Boom, boom, boom. All right, can we run further than 23 pips? Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, falls on your level. Yeah, no, exactly. It's funny, Brian, because people can look at the chart like in different perspective or different ways, but at the end of the day, it all end up to the same thing. Just that's the crazy part about trading. Like you can be from different country, learn from different people, and at the end of the day, I mean, it all looks alike. Just like it's really similar, right? It depends. I mean, if you're trading with like indicators and all kind of crap like that, well, even there, most of the time, we're probably gonna be adding up somewhere, right? But yeah. Yeah, I'm happy to be back, guys. Ain't gonna lie. Kind of missed the stream, so hopefully we can continue that ride and build back the audience. Would be a big thing. Would be pretty cool. Honest, I mean, the holidays coming up, but doesn't matter, right? I guess we're gonna have no choice to take a break during the holidays. So, but I don't know. Maybe we'll continue to do something. Maybe we'll do simulation on Tuesday morning, maybe instead of live trading. Because I mean, I don't want to be trading during Christmas time. I mean, December was pretty good for me last year. Um, I kind of traded pretty late in December. But January is a fucked up month. January is like where I fucked up my account like a couple of years ago. Um, I got it back, but it was like it hurt. I started to trade a little too early, I think, in January last year. Not last year, a couple of years, 2 years ago, three. I can't remember. Dude, I suck with time. But yeah, January kind of a little bit fucked up. Let's see here. GJ. All right, so GJ's looking good right here, guys. Look at this. GJ looking good. Look at that rejection here. Wow. Okay. 4 hours gonna close like this. Okay. Okay. Damn, son. Yo, can we get a 30-minute engulfing? That'd be amazing. Like closing under the major QP, that'll be like perfect. But we only have a minute. That's impossible. I mean, nothing's impossible with GG. Don't get me wrong, but it's a big ask here. So 15-minute is closing engulfing bearish though. I just don't like this. It's fucking major QP right there. Because the thing is, we can do this. That's my problem. I think I'm just not gonna force it. I gotta win on gold. So just gonna stay quiet, I think. All right, so 4 hour just closed bullish. Smaller body candle, respecting this area right here, you know. So we close right at this area. Previous support got respected. We are inside of that golden zone. It looks good, man. It looks fucking good. But one thing for sure, most of the time, this 4 hour candle needs that top wick first. So yeah, I'm gonna be patient. Okay, I'm gonna be patient. If I take this trade, it's gonna be two scenario. All right. So number one, it would be like a 1 hour candle closed engulfing under that major QP. So that'll be very cool. So I'm gonna place an alert here, right? And yeah, no, 4 hours is gonna be way too low here. Or all right, so or 30-minute, you know, if we're coming down and breaking again this major QP, break retest to continue down. So yeah, that's gonna be one of the two options. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. But just for fun, all right, just for paper trade, okay? Here, that was the first idea I had, but I didn't want to force it. So just for learning purposes, we're gonna establish this as paper trade and see if we're gonna give it a little bit more room here. There we go. Perfect. So just to see, you know, but I still think this 4 hour candle needs to do the top wick first. So that's why I was hesitant in not taking it. Any questions, guys? Smash that like button. Smash that like button. Um. mm, 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 mm. All right, that's about it, guys. That's about it. So nice little win here on gold. Hopefully you liked it, and it was great session. I'll see you on Friday night for Forex Talk Over Beer. Thank you so much for being here today, guys. Really appreciate it. And we'll be back Friday night Forex Talk Over Beer or next Tuesday morning for another live trading session. Wish you an amazing day, guys. Take care.